I am Sonali Ramdas.
Hello, myself Khushbu Sunil Lengore.
And I am Pooja Sanjay Narkhede. Currently, we are pursuing bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from Kekiwat Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nasik. Our group number is 6.
Our final year project topic is monitoring power quality issues, assessment and mitigation using software platform for college campus.
The main motivation behind selecting this topic is the involvement of semiconductor and switching devices in day-to-day application is increased, which serves as the nonlinear load and which are affecting the power quality of power system. Since the supply side is also getting damaged or affected by the power qualities in the system, we have to monitor this to identify and mitigate the issues in current supply system. Topic we are starting with the first step, which is the monitoring. For monitoring, we have considered the secondary side of transformer as the PCC, which is the point of common coupling. Here the load is distributed towards the engineering institute and the girls hostel as well as the guest house, and we have connected the hierarchy PQ analyzer at this load side. For monitoring, we have connected the hierarchy analyzer at the PCC. As the system is 3-phase 4-wire system, we have used an wiring adapter, and the voltage cord and clamp-on sensors are connected at the load side for voltage and current measurement. The hierarchy PQ analyzer gives reading for voltage, current for each phase and their TSD percentage. It also provides power factor and many other details. It also gives the harmonic values up to 50th order. From the monitoring, we have concluded that there is distortion in the voltage waveform as well as in the current, but the distortion in the current waveform is more as compared to the voltage, and 3rd, 5th and 7th harmonics were found to be dominant as they are lower order harmonics and their value is beyond permissible levels.
The analysis involves simulating a three-phase system that supplies power to a diode bridge rectifier and an unbalanced diode bridge RC load. In the simulation, passive filter is incorporated to improve power quality by mitigating the harmonics of different orders which are introduced into the system by nonlinear loads. Firstly, without implementation of passive filter, the FFT analysis shows 28.10% of THD for diode bridge rectifier and 20.32% of THD for diode bridge rectifier with RC load. After implementing high pass filter, the THD percent is reduced to 0.58% for diode bridge rectifier load and 7.67% for diode bridge with RC load, which shows a better results.
At last, we conclude that the monitoring is done in college and simulation is done for similar system. Presence of lower order harmonics were detected and same issues were seen in simulation result. In simulation, we use filter to reduce harmonics, which leads to reduction in THD percentage, improved power factor and chances of equipment failure reduces. Thank you.